celebrate the doers, dreamers, and ultimate risk takers. Although being an entrepreneur can be challenging, there's nothing more rewarding and satisfying than doing what you love, what you are passionate about. Happy National Entrepreneurs Day to all our dream chasers, innovators, and passion-driven people. The booming entrepreneurship culture in India is a relatively recent phenomenon, having taken off in the early 20s. This is largely due to the growth of the Indian economy, which has opened up more opportunities for entrepreneurs to start their own businesses. The availability of venture capital, the emergence of incubators, and the availability of the large pool of talented individuals have all contributed to the growth of entrepreneurship in India. The quote by Ratan Tata captures the spirit of entrepreneurship in India. He says that entrepreneurialism in India is not just about creating successful businesses, it is about creating innovations, solutions that bring benefits to both business and society. It requires foresight, dedication, and most importantly, the willingness to take risk. Entrepreneurship in India has been the driving force behind the country's rise to